In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Magnifier view on the control panel. Dolphin SuperNova allows you to view the magnified window in various views. Click the Magnifier button or press the hotkey to turn the magnification on. In the View section, click the Magnifier View button to toggle through the different magnified views. Fixed window, magnifying glass, resizing glass, left split screen, top split screen, right split screen, bottom split screen. You can select a specific magnified view by clicking the drop down arrow and selecting which view you require. I'm going to select the top split screen. Click the magnifier button or press the hotkey to turn the magnification